There are 5 simple ways to speed up your computer. Hey, my name is Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, number 1.
Right-click on the battery icon, select the power options. By default, you will only see the balanced or recommended option here. To create the high performance option, click on the create a power plan. Set a name, whatever you want as a plan name, and then click on OK.
In the search area, type in adjust performance. By default, it's set to let Windows choose what's best for my computer. You can click on adjust for the best performance and click on OK. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. We're gonna delete unnecessary and useless file so that the C drive can breathe. Click on the search bar, type in %temp %. Oops. Hit enter. You will see a lot of temp files. Select all of them. These are useless files. You can delete them. It won't have any impact on your machine. Hit delete. Click on the search button, type run, type in temp, hit enter. As you can see, this is another location which keeps the useless files. Select all of them, right click, delete, delete. Great. We need to delete some more files again. Type run, this time type prefetch. Okay. We need to have permission. Select all of them, delete. Yes. Great. The other thing that you need to do is right click on the C drive, the drive that you have your OS installed. Select properties, select disk cleanup. So I don't want to delete my download, but I'm going to empty out recycle bin and other temporary files. Okay, delete files. You need to confirm it. Just clean up the C drive, continue.
I will pause the video. Alright, the disk cleanup has been finished. Let's take a look at number 3. We need to make sure the Windows, apps, and the antivirus are up to date. Okay. Click on the Start menu, type in Windows Update. From the menu, select Windows Update Settings. As you can see, the Windows on my machine is up to date. You can click on check for updates in case if yours one is not up to date. Now let's see if the antivirus is up to date. Click on the Start menu, type in virus. Select virus and threat protection.
And one thing that I'm going to mention here, if you think that it's better to have 2 antivirus at the same time on your machine, no, it's not a good idea, because those 2 antiviruses would like to occupy the resources and you can't actually get the good performance from your machine. Now let's take a look at number 4. In the search bar, type apps and select add or remove programs. These are the list of the apps that installed on your machine. If you think you don't need them, you can just simply select them and uninstall them. I don't need Groove Music, so I will uninstall it. Time to look at number 5. Click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on Performance. From here, you can see the hardware resources, how they behave and how they works. As you can see, around 65% of the CPU is occupied and it's under action. Around 40% of the memory is occupied. If you guys can see, let's say, more than 80 or 90% of these resources busy on your machine, that means time to upgrade in terms of hardware. For memory, for the hard disk, if you've got HDD, you can go for SSD option. For memory, if you've got 4 gig, you can go for 8 gig upgrade. If you've got 8 gig, you can go for 16 gig upgrade. I'm going to show you a trick which you can increase the size of page file for memory. And type in performance and select adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on advanced option and click on change option. As you can see, this option by default is selected. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. I would untick this and I would select the C drive and I would select custom size. You can define how much of your hard disk allocate to the page file size. So I would say minimum 2 gig, around 2000 megabytes, and maximum is 3000 megabytes. The changes you have made require you to restart your computer. That's fine. I will go for OK option. Thanks for watching this video. If the speed of your computer is not good enough, after watching this video, please comment below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option and select all to receive my other videos. I hope this will be informative and I'd like to thank you.